Ever been asked to submit a document as a PDF, but all you have is an image on your phone? You don't need extra apps, and you're probably closer than you think. Let's start with the easiest method, directly on your phone. Open your gallery and select the image you want to convert. Once the image opens, tap Share. From the Share options, scroll until you see Print. Tap it. At the top of the screen, change the printer option to Save as PDF. This step is important. If you don't change it, it won't save correctly. Now tap Save, choose where you want to store the file, and your image will instantly be converted into a PDF. No app downloads, no signups, just a clean PDF ready to send. But if you're using a computer or you prefer doing this online, there's another simple option. Open any browser and search for Image to PDF Converter. Choose a trusted site, upload your image, then click Convert to PDF. Once the conversion is complete, download the PDF file to your device. This method is especially useful if you're working with scanned documents, screenshots, or multiple images. So whether you're on your phone or your computer, converting an image to a PDF is quick, easy, and free.